How to find connected apps on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to find connected apps on Spotify. So now, let's get started. First of all, launch the Spotify app on your mobile device. Now tap the gear icon in the top right corner of your profile page. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Apps and Devices. Here you can see the connected apps. You can also manage the connected apps. You can view and remove apps you no longer wanted connected to your Spotify account. So this is how to find connected apps on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.